Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. So, this one is about merciless and something that Cargo said made me want to do this.
People look for merciless people. When you see merciless, you have a crying of people. My fans, we know when injustice happening now happen again. Will never happen. People look for merciless people. When you see merciless, you have a crying of people. This happening now happen again. Will never happen. People look for merciless people. When you see merciless, you have a crying of people.
Right? But then I watched some merciless video just to catch up and remind myself before me even do this little video right here. Right? This video I'm going to talk about merciless and how him pop down. I didn't want to say it like that. That's what it seems like, even though recently Merciless did a tune that is, I think it named Deportee or something like that. Deportee. The Deportee is at 96,000 views right now on Akam Entertainment and growing. 96,000 in a month for somebody like Merciless, where him not have no hot tune out the road for radio rotation and them thing there, and he's not a young up-to-date artist, so, or even one of the top 5 them where I run things right now. He's not, I mean, him name not really mentioned on the scene like that. So him put out a tune named Deportee with a video, and the video and the song they're on Akam Entertainment, 96,000 at this point. Cargo said, as you heard, when you look for Merciless, you have to cry. In other words, he's implying that to the man mash up. That's why I said that. Me not say Merciless mash up because, again, I'm not around him to know if he mash up. I've done some comparisons though. I may look on some pictures of Merciless in recent times gone by compared to what he looks like now. Right? Merciless come from Clarendon. I'm from Clarendon. Me hear people say them know Merciless and Merciless is a real alcoholic. If you put 2 pictures side by side, one of how he looks now compared to how him look, say a year or 2 before, you can see the stark difference. He does look extremely different, right? And he would look like someone that is heavily on alcohol. Probably smoke a lot too, I don't know. Anyway, Merciless recently did an interview where he was saying that him not broke and him can't broke because him house have, must say, 7 bedroom and 5 bathroom or something like that. Well, I don't know. May I talk about, remember the days when Merciless did have big tune out the road, Mavis, Old Gallus, Mr. Houdini. You'd have to go back in the 90s to find him hit song them. What struck me when Cargo said this though is 2 things, right? Cargo said, yeah, you want to cry when you look upon him. Me remember Ninja Man said, dancehall, again me I go say, dancehall is a gladiator sport, Ninja Man said, and enough of them big promoter here for them show here, especially Mr. Leng and them, he was talking about specifically, he was saying them want you murder each other to uplift them show. So every time you see 2 artists clash at Sting, just remember say one of them career right off and the other one probably can go on for a while until next year him have to go defend him title and the possibility that his career could be ended there, right? But these people didn't care. Them not care if it did end people's career. That's why Ninja Man had gotten to the point where I said, done the clash thing and make we just come perform. Make the young artists them clash and build for themselves. And that's why I'm saying didn't want to clash, but when him never want to clash Gullibop. You see how it took me long to remember him name? He never want to clash Gullibop. Gullibop is a whole nother story because this video clip right here of Merciless getting his career pretty much ended is with who? Ninja Man himself and Gullibop. So it's fitting to see Ninja Man knowing exactly what he was doing but allowing Gullibop to do it. It's also funny, you see Karma? Me I tell you now what to now hear me. Look at Gullibop's mannerism when him right off. Yo, all Merciless they want to do, you know, come out there, come join them on the stage and lick a bit of the limelight and hopefully them would have give him a strength. Them could have give him a fake clash, uplift him, something. No, they actually went at him, especially Gully Bop, went at him in a manner where the crowd start boo the man. You up there talk about the man fuck donkey and all these other things. The crowd boo him till him sit down and cry upon the stage, you know. A boom boom, them a call from back there so if you come get him off by stage, you know. Y'all saw how he exited the stage, and that was the last of Merciless, really and truly. So, if you see how Gully Bop actually took part in ending someone legendary like Merciless, and then Theme Thing popped down right away. When he was doing that, he was in his heyday. That means Gully Bop was at the prime, tip top. Him thing did turn up then. Now it turned all the way down. You see that? And I bet Gully Bop don't have a 5-bedroom or 7-bedroom house with 5 bathrooms. I know Merciless might be lying, but from what I've heard, and a lie. When him did that make him money, him did invest in a property and him do own a house, a nice house in a Clarendon there. So does Cargo. Them call Cargo thing a mansion quite big. But anyway, yeah. My thing about this video is this. The artists them, when them pop down like this, that's why I was saying before, them need to form some artist coalition, some way to ensure them, some kind of savings and bonds, something, somebody to sit down with them and tell them, say, yo, put 100 grand over here, so, and put the 50 grand over there, so, and invest this in a that. So when the limelight goes off, and they're all back to square one, or the crowd is no longer roaring, the crowd is booing instead, because I boo them, boo Merciless off our stage, you know. When the crowd start boo you, you have something to lean back on, right? It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me hear what you got to say about this one. What part you think Merciless there? Do you think it's right what Cargo said that Merciless is one of the top DJ them apart from Bounty Killer when know how to command the stage? It didn't look like it in this video though because Merciless obviously was highly intoxicated. Probably drink a whole heap of alcohol, burn a whole heap of weed and go up there and feel like say him sound good when you can clearly hear that he could barely get his words out. And the one, what name? Gully Bop. Yo, I saw the man them career end fast that you can't remember them name to blouse and skirt. Gully Bop took advantage of that and just done the man. You see it? When you dig grave, dig too. Alright? But soon we'll do the next video where we're going to talk about the dancehall industry and how them rob the artists them and how manager and producers live wealthy and healthy and good and them children go to good schools and all that. And the idiot artists them still not catch on to certain things and I do certain things. Based on a video that Cargo just did. Alright? It's SouFLoTV, man. Stay tuned. I soon come back. I'm out. Peace.